Hello everybody, I hope you're having a really great day. Today I'm at you with another hair video. This isn't only for curly girls, it's for anyone looking to change up their shampoo and use something a little bit more natural, and as you know I am all about that here on this channel. The recipe I used is Holistic Habits Ayurvedic Herbal Shampoo. It's got over 1 million views. If you go to that video you'll get all of the instructions on how to make it, what to use. I'm going to demonstrate how I did it as well and talk you through what I thought about it. So first up, let me show you how I made it. So I bought these ingredients from herbalveda.co.uk and the prices were actually really good. The whole lot together, including shipping, cost me £15.85 last year. Whilst all of these seeds and dried fruits are absolutely lovely, they smell divine, they feel lovely, it's so lovely to watch them as they soak in the water and they boil up and see what happens. I am really mindful that they don't grow locally to me. I had to ship them from really far away. I think the Shikakai definitely only grows in the south of India. Fenugreek certainly doesn't grow where I live, although amla berries are really close to a gooseberry, it's not quite the same. So I'm just really mindful of that as someone that's quite environmentally conscious that they are having to be shipped. Now, I don't mind shipping herbs and seeds and spices from abroad, especially when they're dried. They're very light, but to do that regularly might be a consideration. So you start by soaking all of the dried fruits overnight. I think it would be fine if you also did up to about 24 hours. It probably would benefit the recipe. Then in the morning you pop it in a pan and turn it up to max heat. When it's at a boil, lower it down to a simmer for about 10 minutes. And then you take it off the heat and let it cool down. Then comes my absolute favourite part of the whole process, which is to start squishing it with your fingers. Just squishing all of those dried fruits just so it lets out as much of its goodness as possible. Now, one of the things that Holistic Habits talks about in her video is that the soap nuts do actually have really hard little nuts. As you can see on the side here, they have these little black nuts. And it's quite good if you buy them already hulled, which perhaps I will do next time, but you can easily just pop them out. Then you strain it all so you don't have all those bits going into your hair, of course. Strain it through a nut bag and you've got this lovely rich brown liquid. Almost kind of looks like a beer. And then I put half into a squeeze bottle and half just into a jar to pop in the fridge for another time. Then I simply washed my hair with it. I'll tell you more about that later. I brushed it. I put my favourite styling products in, my favourite leave-in conditioner and gel at the moment, and then brushed it all through with a Denman brush and styled it like I would normally, and then gave it a really long diffuse with my diffuser. If you're interested in exactly how, just watch some of my more recent styling videos. And I actually popped in a little bit of my favourite rose hair oil just to give it a little extra shine. So I did as she said in the video and I applied it to dry hair. I absolutely think that's the way to go. It's the best way to ensure you get coverage all over your scalp and make sure everything's really massaged in. I didn't really get any lather, and I don't know if that's just because I didn't halve the soap nuts or get hulled soap nuts. Could have helped maybe with the lather, but it probably wouldn't lather that much. I do feel like I have clean hair. There's good movement. I don't feel like there's a huge amount of product buildup. I didn't have a load of product in my hair to begin with. What it has done is given me loads of volume, which I find happens with every natural shampoo. I used, as I showed you, like just a little bit of leave-in conditioner and then some of that ultra clean gel. So it does make quite a lot of mess as you're doing. I did it with my hair flipped over the bath, put it all in my hair, massaged it in, and there was just brown all over, like brown drips all over the bottom of the bath. I don't know if this is something that if you used it regularly it would stain the bottom of your shower tray, so I did it in the old bath. I know that Holistic Habits, she does say in the video that it can dye your hair over time, so if you've got really blonde hair that might be a consideration. Obviously my hair is kind of like, it's multicolored hair, it's kind of a bit red, it's a bit blonde, it's a bit brown. So I just kind of think it works all right. It just probably brings out more of the brown in my hair, which I don't mind, especially for this time of year. One of the best things about this shampoo is the smell. It smells gorgeous from the second you take the product out of the packaging. You're boiling it, you're squeezing it. It smells divine. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's really fruity. There's nothing unnatural about it, of course. It's just a really lovely fruity, earthy scent, and I think pretty much anyone would really like it. I did do a bit of an apple cider vinegar rinse after I used the shampoo, just a little bit, because every time I've used a DIY shampoo in the past, I've found that to be a really important thing. So that's probably helped with some of the shine and as a kind of natural conditioner and to get rid of some of the extra residue. I can also say it was the easiest thing in the world to make. All you have to do is remember to soak it, cook it for 10 minutes, leave it, squish it, and then you're done. I like the fact it can be stored in the fridge for a week, and you can even freeze it and then take it out when you're ready to use it. However, I found that that amount of mixture that I made enough for only 2 washes, so that is enough for a week, so it would only need to go in the fridge. But if I doubled it, then I could freeze a couple of washes worth of stuff. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope it inspires you, if you're someone that really enjoys making their own shampoo, to try something a bit different. Although I won't be replacing my regular shampoo with this DIY shampoo, I absolutely love using this from time to time. I think the benefits of the ingredients are so good for my hair. The problem for me for using it all the time is I don't find it cleansing enough, especially for my long curly hair. I use gel in my hair quite a bit, and although it's a clean gel, there's still quite a lot of product in my hair that I need to get rid of. So I might use this once a week and then alternate, but at the minute I just use it every once in a while when I remember to make it. I would hugely recommend this to all curly girls out there for body, for volume, and just your hair smells great and it just looks so shiny. So I think it's a fantastic curly girl recipe. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up for more of this content. Leave me a comment down below if you try it. I'd love to know, or you've tried it before, and how you got on. Thank you for watching. Bye.